happy freaking 2024. Today's New Year's Day, January 1st, and I can't think of a better place to be than being out on the trail. So I don't usually make resolutions for the New Year's, but this year I'm going to try to get out more often. I haven't been doing much in the past 6 months because we moved and did all that good stuff, but we'll talk about that later. But right now I am on the Foothills Trail. I hope to get up to see a falls, maybe down at the river, do some fishing, fly the drone. Who knows? It's up in the air. We got about a 42-degree temperature here. I don't think it's going to get much higher than that. Tonight's going down in the 20s, but it's a really pretty day out here on the trail. Again, Happy New Year's, guys. All right, guys, a little update. I just left the Foothills Trail and going straight up to along Kings Creek, which brings me up to Kings Creek Falls. And so far, I'm the only one on the trail. I don't know if I'll be the only one up at the falls, hopefully. But beautiful day. It's a little chilly, but I like it, and feels good to be out here. So let's get up to this falls. Let's check it out, see what it's like. Well, guys, if you can hear me, I am the only one here at Kings Creek Falls. Pretty spectacular. We had some rain about 4 or 5 days ago, so it's really flowing, really strong, stream strong, really, really pretty. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit and check this out, take some pictures and video. Kings Creek Falls. Back on the Foothills Trail again. I'll tell you what, if you're on the Foothills Trail, Kings Creek Falls, definitely recommend it. It's a beautiful falls. It's an easy 0.2 miles in from the trail, another 0.2 out, less than a half a mile both ways. It's a gorgeous falls, especially when the water's really flowing like it is today. We had a few days of rain over Christmas, so it really got all these streams back in here really going good. So anyway, Kings Creek Falls, definitely a recommendation. So I'm heading now on to the Foothills Trail further. I'm going to head down to the river. Maybe I'll do some fishing, maybe not. Just have lunch, see who's there, who's not there, and just make a good day of this. All right, guys. This is a nice trout. Ooh, it's a nice brown trout. Look at that sucker. Let's get him in. Wow. Look at that. What a beautiful brown trout, guys. Yep, I'm gonna let you go though, buddy. Caught him on a single hook panther mark.
Bye-bye.
Well, guys, that was a lot of fun. Just ate some lunch, something to drink, made myself some tea, and I'm going to head back now. What a great start to New Year's. Wow. I ended up with 4 rainbows and that one big brown trout. Hopefully I got enough video on here or pictures I can show you. But I've got about a 4.5 mile hike right now, and it's getting late and the sun is starting to go down behind the trees. So I better get out of here. And if I don't record anything between now and the end of this trip, something comes up, I want to thank you guys for following Walker's World, and hopefully there'll be a lot more trips like this coming up. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.